Okay, magandang hapon po. Ngayon po ang pag-aaralan natin under divisibility by 10. Okay, so ito po yung pinakamadali under divisibility because in divisibility by 10, look, ending 0. So basta may nakita kayong ending ay 0, ibig sabihin divisibility by 10, pwede ring divisible by 5. Is depend upon the given. Okay. Example, 850. So 850 is divisible by 10. Bakit? Dahil ang last digit ng 850 is 0, ang tawag po dyan ay divisibility by 10. Another example is 400. Okay, 400 ending is 0, ibig sabihin divisibility by 10. So any number ending 0, ang tawag po doon is divisibility by 10 or divisible by 10. Yun lang po at sana may naintindihan kayo sa aking lesson sa araw na ito. Salamat po.